Good morning from Dongtan Beach, heading to Pradmac that way. To breakfast with bros. Gonna go to Cajun Life Cafe today. I'll do my best to show you what's going on. I'm just waiting here for my bro Ken, and he will come. You can see people out there in a boat, and there's a boat. And there's the beach. All right, let's head on. Let's wait for Ken, and then we'll head out. Okay, we made it to 7-Eleven in Pradmac. That's Yum Yum Beach at the end of Dongtan Beach here in Pradmac. And there's our 7-Eleven dude, lady. Okay, and we're gonna walk this way. We're going to Cajun Life. Let's head out. 20 cup. Here's late Cajun Life Cafe. We got Cajun Life Cafe. It's in here in Pradmac. There's Yum Yum Beach. This is Pradmac 5. This is Cajun Life Cafe. We're gonna go in there and eat. Go check it out. The American breakfast. Eggs, smoked bacon, hash brown. I don't know what the tomato. I never ate a tomato in America for breakfast. And look at that. Big sausage, huh? All right.